In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in AOL. We will walk through it slowly, so even if this is your first time using AOL Mail, you can follow along without stress. First, open your browser and search for AOL. On most computers, you can click the address bar at the top of the window and type AOL, then press Enter. After a second, you should see search results with the familiar AOL logo near the top. If the page looks completely unrelated to email, pause and check your spelling, since even a small typo can lead to the wrong site. Once the search results appear, click the correct link and then click Sign In. The correct link usually shows the AOL logo and mentions AOL Mail. When that page loads, look for the Sign In button, often in the upper right corner. Click it and you will be taken to the login screen where you can enter your username and password. After you sign in, you should land in your AOL inbox with your list of emails in the center and a sidebar down the left side. Now that you are in your inbox, look at the left sidebar under Folders. This sidebar usually shows options like Inbox, Sent, and Trash near the top. Below those, you should see a heading or section for Folders, which contains any custom folders you have created. If you have many folders, you might need to scroll a little within this sidebar. Take a moment to locate the exact folder you want to delete, because once a folder is removed, the emails inside it no longer appear there. With your target folder located, click on the drop-down icon right beside the folder name. This icon is often a small arrow or a tiny triangle next to the folder. When you hover your mouse over the folder row, that icon may become more visible. A common beginner mistake is to click the folder name itself, which only opens the folder. If that happens, do not worry. Just move your mouse back to the sidebar and click on the drop-down icon instead. When you click it correctly, a small menu will open right under that folder. From that menu, select Delete from the drop-down menu. As soon as you click Delete, AOL processes the command and the folder disappears from the list in the sidebar. Some versions may show a short confirmation message, others simply remove the folder right away. If you still see the folder, wait a second or two, or briefly switch to another folder and back to refresh the list. Remember that selecting Delete here removes the folder itself, not the whole AOL account or your main system folders like Inbox. You have now signed into AOL, found your custom folder, and deleted it from your folders list. If this helped you clean up your AOL folders, a quick thumbs up helps more people tidy their inbox too, and you can subscribe if you would like more simple email tips.